Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel and J Dolls UK, and I do a collab for Dolls Gone Goth. And every month on the 9th, we send out our invitation to join us. And this month on the 16th, on the 16th of the month, we are doing school uniforms. Now you take that and interpret it any way you want, but with a goth twist. If you wanted to do like Wednesday Addams and Enid in two different colors, that's fine. Anything you want to do at all. And we'll put those up at 6 a.m. on the 16th of August. We also want to remind you that next month is Dark Fairies, and that'll be on the 16th. And you can use, as we always say, you can use any kind of doll for your dark fairies or your goth dolls, anything at all. I have a Gothea doll who is not here, and she now has a sidekick Opal. But you don't have to use a certain doll every month. You can change it out. We just want you to join in and have fun. Thank you for watching. Jay, thank you so much. And I can't wait to see what you show today and on the 16th. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.